Alright, this is it, and then we're leaving, Lily. We're on a schedule. Dollar in. Dollar in. Not much prospects in here. You're doing something crazy. She is. I was just doing something crazy myself. All right. Come on, baby. That looks good. Oh, she's right there. Let's try one more time. Who are we kidding, right? That's all I got. I got a 5 and a 1. This is it. It's all or nothing, Lily. Ooh, she's a creature. Oh yeah. All right, this is it. And I think we're gonna go for. We'll just go for this alien dude once over here. The orange one's tempting, but I'm just afraid it'll stab him wrong. Go down again. Clamp it, clamp it. Yes, we got it. That was tough, Lily. Grab it. I see you going nuts. I see you. Woo! All right, we spent $2. We got an alien. Well, there you go. Yeah, here. Cuddle away. Have a great day.